Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we'll be looking at the new PS5 Pulse 3D wireless headset. We'll be going into the pricing of the headset and any features that you might want to know. We also have been given permission by another YouTuber by the name of The Gamer Shower to use some of his clips and any useful information out of his video that he made on the headset. So huge shout out to him, go and check his channel out. I'll put it as a top link down in the description below. Also, before we get into the video, sorry I haven't been uploading in a long time, I've been really busy. I will be uploading a lot more though. There is a lot more new content around all the new consoles and games that are coming out. Lastly, everyone, make sure that you will drop a like on today's video and subscribe with the post notification bell on so you don't miss an upload. Can we get 100 likes on today's video? And with that all being said, let's get right into the video. Okay, so firstly we'll cover all the pricing of the headset. So this headset is around £90 at the time of recording this video, and this is the cheapest legit one I could find on the whole of the internet. I personally think that this is a pretty average price headset, but as you will see later on in the video, the spec and the features of the headset seem like it would be a lot more expensive. Also, I will leave the link of the headset in the second link in the description to the listing of the headset on Amazon. It is currently sold out at the time of making this video, but it will be restocked very shortly, so I'm sure if you come back to this video in a few days and then go on the link again, you will be able to order one via Amazon. And that is on the second link in the description below. Or if the video is more than a few days old when you're watching it, the listing has probably been restocked, so if you want to go ahead and order one after watching the video and you think it's a pretty good headset, then go on the second link down below and you're probably going to be able to order one. Now we will cover all of the relevant and cool features of this headset. So firstly, the description of the Amazon listing is play in comfort with a wireless headset fine-tuned for 3D audio on PS5 consoles. Featuring USB Type-C, charging and dual noise cancelling microphones. You can keep the party chat flowing with crystal clear voice capture. So basically this means that you can not only hear sound from a direction while you're playing the game, you can hear it above and below you, which I personally think is a really cool feature that you only normally get if you're looking to spend a lot of money on a headset. But this is actually only one of the amazing features. Another really cool feature is that you can use the headset on the PS4 as well and get the specific direction advantage. A few features from the Game Shower's video are on the box. It states that the headset is fine-tuned for 3D audio on the PS5 consoles. The box also states that this headset has a dual hidden mic, built-in rechargeable battery for up to 12 hours of playtime, and easy access controls, which are features that not a lot of headsets have. Also, it comes with a wireless adapter, which is a cool feature. It comes with a jack as well, so you don't have to use the headset wirelessly. I also think that the design of the headset is really cool and looks modern, and even the box looks good. And as you can see on the screen right now, there are lots of buttons to do different things, making it easier for you while you're playing games. I will put a clip of the Game Shower testing the headset's mic out so you can hear how it sounds.
The microphone works flawlessly. You can hear it on the headphone. It doesn't sound bad at all. So the audio quality is crystal clear, guys. You can hear yourself perfectly.
So that was actually a little clip from the Game Shower's video. As I said, he did give me permission to use the clips out of his video, so make sure you go and subscribe to him, guys. Top link down in the description below. Personally, I think that it's really good quality for a headset mic, and the Game Shower goes into more detail with the sound quality side of things in his video, so make sure that you go and watch his video as well after this one has ended. I think that this is actually a really good priced high quality headset, and I would recommend buying one from what I've seen and heard about it. The Amazon links is in the second link down in the description below, so make sure if you're going to buy one to go and check out as Amazon normally has stuff the best price and quickest delivery. Thanks for watching the video guys, make sure that you all drop a like and subscribe with post notifications on. Tell me in a comment below if you found this video helpful or not, but for now guys, peace out.